Yan na, next order, next order.
That's mine.
Oh. Kaya, Bern? Kaya mo? Ay, kailangan sa ilalim, naman na siya.
Yeah.
Oh,
30 baht, yeah? No, yung rice naman 30 baht. How much is this?
Guys, nandito tayo, guys.
Also same?
Yeah.
30?
Yeah, 30 baht.
I thought...
If you want to pay 100, okay. But you can't pay to them. Yeah.
Masamat, kalacho.
Ang nakakasarap din yung saging.
Hindi ka pa nagsawa.
Kombinasyon ng saging, itlog, tapos may milk. Ako less lang ang pinalagay ko. Ayun no. Lalagyan mo. Sa akin konti lang.
But ano ba, margarine yata yung pinakamantika niya. Tapos patalsikan ng tunay na mantika. Ano?
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Ayan na, dapat nagawa na ko dyan.
Kunin ko na sana itong saging, bibilin ko na. Hindi pala binibenta nila, nilalagay doon.
Tapos babalutin.
Tanawa ang milk. Ano? Tanawa ang milk.
จะยกกล้วยจะยกกล้วยทั้งหวี
Ako alis lang ako di pa patay.
Sa'yo.
ใส่หมดทุกอย่างเลย
Yes, everything.
สองกล่องนี้นะแต่ว่าอีกกล่องนึงใส่หมด
Dami na.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Wow. Gusto mo, Philip, madami ang gatas?
Yan sa kanilang masarap. Oh. Sa akin, ako nang kainin.
Ay, mata, nari ka.
Thailand to try eat
It becomes sexy.
Nari, nam na hindi ni. Ay, di ko niya na. Kiti. Yan, nari niya.
อันนี้เป็นรอยเขาจัดการอ่ะ
Tatlo yan ah.
Oh,
Eh, ito, kanino ito, Philip, na sana? Yeah, also.
also right
Yeah.
น้องครับคิดเฉพาะนี่นะครับ แต่อันนี้ไม่ต้องคิดนะอันนี้ต่างหากโรตีแล้วก็พุทธบานาน่าใส่มาดา
Muji, ni song.
เอาโดย
Hindi kong.
ธรรมดามั้ง
Thamada ka.
เอาธรรมดา
No need, no need, no need.
Ordinary.
No. Sa pagkain, bis, wag na. No.
lagi kang ganyan.
Ang problema nga ako kung paano ko ito magastos ang isang bag na pera eh.
Punta tayo sa Robinson, magpa-massage tayo.
Okay lang?